I'm Maria Garcia, and I built this project on my big computer that doesn't have a webcam, so I'm recording it on my laptop. First, we're going to start with a playthrough of my project, and then we're going to go through the rubric. To start off, this is a level that I built out. I'm showing things moving away from the character. I'm showing objects being destroyed when they're triggered, screens coming on, their material being changed when they're triggered, collision with different physics settings, and lastly is the spawning this steam, which will be a teleportation experience, and that was using an input when in this trigger box. So we have the custom map that I built with assets imported from the Unreal Marketplace. We create and use blueprint actors all over the place. For example, I have the trigger boxes that affect the player's speed. I have something that says welcome when the experience is played, and so on. These are all of my blueprints shown in my content browser. For the principles of OOP, we have the polymorphism is the one that I'm the least strong in understanding past its metaphor of how one method can mean different things depending on what it's connected to. Abstraction is the one that I understand the best, which is really having these complicated structures going on in the background so that when designers can get in, they just have access to the variables and they don't really need to understand how the car works, drive the car. Here we're going through the time-based values and understanding how to make something move towards or away our character. And in the video, I actually changed it from moving away to moving towards our actor. I have it connecting to the delta seconds. And inheritances, for example, I can have one class of a pick-upable object, but maybe it behaves differently in its children. Abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. So having everything we need inside of one class to have it work. So we have seen the examples of differences between collisions and triggers. Right here we're going into the input and spawning and destroying. And that's everything. The thing I'm the most proud of for this project was being able to access the player's movement components so that we can make them faster or slower, and I just updated that to a variable so a designer can say when the player goes through this trigger box, their speed is 3,000 or 900, and just really being able to tweak the experience as an example of abstraction. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope to make this a playable experience by the end of